Good morning, children. You are already aware that we have completed the first part of this chapter. The chapter name is A Game of Chance, chapter number 8. In this chapter, we have already completed that in this story there is a narrator. His name is Rashid, and it is the occasion of Eid. And on Eid, every year, there is a fair that is organized in the village, and Eid was celebrated for only one day, but was fair was such enormous that it were lasted for many days. So in this chapter we have already known about the story that Rashid went to the fair with his uncle and his bhaiya, who was a servant of his house. You can see in this picture that in the lucky shop he is standing. Then after, when they were at the fair, uncle met with some friends. Uncle asked the narrator to be in the fair and to enjoy the fair alone with bhaiya, and he so that he can enjoy the fair with his friends. After leaving the uncle, Rashid moved around the fair where he met with a shop. It, its name was the Lucky Shop. When he went to the Lucky Shop, he found an old man who played the game, and he found a lot of gifts from the Lucky Shop because he tried his luck 2 or 3 times and he got a beautiful clock, and he also got the money, the cash. And next, there was a boy who was a little older than the narrator, and he also tried his luck, and he found the cash and for our wristwatch and a table lamp also. So this time when the narrator saw these two persons got a lot of prizes, he also desired to try his luck. But when he tried his luck was very bad, and it seemed that on that day his luck was not with him. That's why he was very upset. When he returned to the place where he left the uncle with his friends, he reached to the uncle, and when uncle saw the boy is very upset, he asked about the sadness of the boy, but the boy didn't reply anything. But Bhaiya told everything what was happened with the boy. You can see in the picture. There is a shopkeeper, the boy, and an old man and a boy. So when he came to know about all the things, what happened, what experienced at the Lucky Shop, he didn't showed any anger or any sadness. Uh, Instead, he smiled and patted him. Why he smiled? Let's see. It was the only twist of this chapter. Let's move on. When he smiled and patted me, he took me to a shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweets, and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Point number 11. Back home, uncle told me that the Lucky Shop man had made a fool of me. It means he was telling and explaining that what was happening at the shop. It means the boy was totally became fool of himself by the shopkeeper, because shopkeeper was a person who was very skilled to make fool the other person. How? Let's see. So this lucky shopman had made a fool of me. No, uncle said, I said. No, uncle, I said. It was just my bad luck. It means the narrator was not able to accept that he got fooled by the shopkeeper, because he was just criticizing his bad luck. He was just thinking about his bad luck. No, my boy, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. But uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting two or three costly things. You don't know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck, and they wanted your money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. It means now the uncle explained him that all the it means the organizer of the lucky shop, and it means who was the organizer of the game, and those who were the participants. It means they were disguised participants. They were not actual participants. They were allotted to show others that they are playing and they are getting good prizes. It was just a temptation for other customers. Okay, that's why the uncle told him that by playing this trick, they attract the visitors of the shop, and when they get all the money from the participant, they became happy. So this was the total. Lastly, there was a line in this chapter, now forget about it. इट मीन्स भूल जाओ इन सब बातों को, और किसी को भी अपने बैड लक और अपनी बेवकूफ़ी के बारे में मत बताना. उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों कहा? क्योंकि शायद राशिद को ये लग रहा था कि इट वॉज हिज बैड लक, बट चाचा को उसके ये बात पता थी कि वो उसकी मूर्खता थी कि वो लकी शॉप में गया ही क्यों, जबकि बिफोर लीविंग राशिद एंड भैया, uncle want the boy not to shop anything from any shop. It means he warned him not to take, not to purchase, not to buy anything from any shop, because they may lose their money without any reason, unnecessarily. So it was the whole story. And after this, we will start mutual conversation. Thank you.